Welcome back. If you're listening out there in Radio Land, we've got shadows everywhere on this. Let's try to get rid of some of them. Woo! Running off the table. Okay, so this one's a hyperbola, that one's a line, so they can only cross in two spots, I suppose. So let's see, maybe what we want to do is come over here and divide by 2. That would give me this. And this is a y. And then we're going to take it and we're going to put it right there. So let's copy 3x squared, copy the 2, copy a blank, copy the equal sign, copy the negative 24. And put negative 3 halves x in the blank. Okay, so when I square this before I multiply it by that. Let's see, negative 3 times negative 3, that's 9. 2 times 2, that's 4. X times itself. Okay, 3x squared minus 18x squared over 4 equals negative 24. Okay, these are both even. So let's make that 9 halves. Then we have a way to get rid of fractions. Let's multiply by the denominator. 2 times 3, that's 6. 9x squared, negative 48. 2 times this. This is negative 3x squared, negative 48. Divide by negative 3. X squared is 16. Take the square root. X is plus or minus 4. Okay, so we're going to have two answers. Positive 4 the first time, negative 4 the second time. Okay, well if I go up here and I put positive 4 in there, this is negative 12 divided by 2. On that one I got negative 6. And if I put negative 4 in there, I get positive 6. Ah, they're being funny. Positive 4, negative 6, negative 4, positive 6. Haha, cracking me up, and there's 14. You're going to do 15 on your own. So I'll show it to you in a minute at the end of this video. Let's go over to 16. Here's 16. X squared plus 3x equals negative 4y minus 2. And y equals negative 2x plus 1. Oh, how convenient. They already solved for y. So I can just take this one and go substitute it right there. So I'll get x squared plus 3x equals negative 4 blank negative 2. Put negative 2x plus 1 in the blank. This negative 4 and that negative 2 just get copied. Here we go, copy, copy, copy. X squared plus 3x equals, let's see, that's going to be 8x. This is going to be negative 4. X squared plus 3x equals 8x minus 6. Let's subtract 8x and add 6 to both sides. X squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. Factor it. Let's see, last term positive, both signs like the middle, x and x. How about 2 plus 3 is 5? X minus 2 is 0, add 2, there's 1x. X minus 3 equals 0, add 3, there's the other x. So I've got 2 points on this one too, it would appear. So I want to let x be 2. Y equals negative 2 times 2 plus 1. That's negative 4 plus 1, that's negative 3. Negative 3 goes here. Now let's put 3 in there. y equals negative 2 times 3 plus 1, that's negative 6 plus 1, that's negative 5. Put negative 5 right there, box it, and you're good. And we've done 16. You'll do 17 on your own. Okay, and now let's go and get 18. We're almost done with this. How about 2y equals x plus 10 and y squared minus 4y equals 5x plus 10. Master, you can have my notes. Here you go. Okay. Let's see. Oh boy. I think I want to take x out of this one. Just think about what you've got here. Y squared and y. I really need this to be a y, which means I need to take that x out of there. So let's come over here and let's subtract 10. 2y minus 10 equals x. And then I can take this and I can go put it right there for x. In the second one, that'd give me y squared minus 4y on this side, 5 times 2y minus 10 plus 10 on that side. Trying to raise this a little bit, my book's in the way. Okay, so let's see. 5 times 2, that's 10. Wait a minute, where's my calculator? 5 times, that's negative 50. Y squared minus 4y equals 10y minus 40. Let's subtract 10y and add 40 to both sides. That'll give me 0 over here. I'm going to have to factor this thing. Y squared minus 14y plus 40 equals 0. Let's factor it. Let's see, last term's positive, so both signs are negative. Let's see, it seemed like to me 10 times 4 is 40. But 10 plus 4 is 14, so I just need a 10 and a 4 in there. Y minus 10 is 0. Add 10 to both sides. Y minus 4 is 0. Add 4 to both sides. So I've got 2 y's. I need some x's. Okay, well this is the place to go right here because you've already got an x right there. So you can actually do this in your head. Look at this. If I put this 10 in, what's 2 times 10? 20 minus 10, that's 10. Put 4 in, 8 minus 10, that's negative 2. So you can do 2 times 10 minus 10 equals x. That's 20 minus 10 equals x. That's 10 equals x. There's one of them. And you can do 2 times 4 minus 10 equals, or you can do this in your head. There's your 2 answers. And we're good on that. And then, okay, then you need to do 15, 17, 19. And here's a picture of those right here. Let's enlarge this a little bit, make it look good. There you go. So you want to do 15, 17, and 19, those 3. We'll get to these down here tomorrow. 15, 17, and 19. So this is like a 10-minute video. It's got the 2 even problems and then you do the odds, okay? We're over and out. Hang in there. We'll get through this. There's a test on Friday. Y'all will all do good. And we're over and out.